Hello and welcome to another video here on Man About Life. Now today I'm going to be showing you something which I have been guilty of watching for a long time lately, and that is the TikTok app. A lot of people watch TikTok. It is one of the very popular video snippet apps, I should say, where you can record your own videos or you can just watch other people's videos. I have to say that it is one of those things that is very addictive, and you can easily just waste a good hour watching TikTok videos. And I know that isn't necessarily a good thing to do with your time, but it is something that a lot of people are guilty of, including myself. So I thought that I'll give you a quick video on how to use TikTok. If you've never used it before and you want to have a go at it, then this is something that you could find quite interesting. First of all, as you can see, I have my very own TikTok channel, and if you want to follow me along, I do funny videos about my animals and other things like that. So if that's the kind of thing that interests you, follow me along. That would be fantastic. So to begin with, you have to sign up to TikTok, obviously, the usual way that most apps need you to sign up, and then you get your own channel. And from here you can either make your own videos or you can just watch other people's. If you want to watch other people's, you can go into something like Discover at the bottom here, and then you will get given loads of different hashtag words, and these hashtag words are some of the most popular hashtags used on TikTok. So you've got Work Buddy Bonds, Walk You're Wonderful, that kind of thing, and these are all things that are trending at the moment. On the right hand side you can see how many videos there are of each particular section, so there's quite a few, and you can pick whatever you want to do. If you like football, you can click on those ones, or whatever it might be. Now I'm not going to click on any of these because obviously some might have music on them which is copyrighted, so I'm not going to click on any of them, but you can go on any of these and you can see what their videos are and go through those hashtags as well. Or you can go at the top and you've got trending things like type of concert and things like this, and there's a creator fund now, of course, Learn on TikTok, which is quite a popular one where people do little life hacks and things like that. And then if you want to create your own videos, you go back to the Me tab, and on here you have the plus button in the middle. You can click on that, and then you've got me. This is me talking as you've got here. So you can do many things. You can upload the video, as I've got here down in the bottom right corner. You can add special effects as well, or you can just say whatever you want to say. You can sing along to a song if there's something on TikTok that you want to sing along to, and all you need to do is you can either hold down the record button and it record for a certain period of time, and then you can let go, and once you've let go it kind of pauses the video. So if you want to change the angle and maybe look somewhere different like this, then you can hold the button down again and do a little bit more recording, and then you can stop it, and then if you're doing a change of outfit video, you can change your outfit, and then you can do another angle from here and carry on, and then just stop it wherever you want to stop it. Or if you want to, if you're doing it hands-free, you can just press the middle button and it will play the video. It will record the video for as long as you want it to record for. Once you're happy with it, you just click the little tick in the bottom corner. But a little tip here is if you can add the effects before, that's a nice effect, if you add the effects before you save the video, you can actually get access to more effects than if you do it afterwards. And there's many on here. For example, you can have different filters on here, which is one that I quite like myself. You can have a shake, which makes the kind of screen shake, kind of a weird way. You can do other things as well. You can have this one, which you can stretch your face to look in a different type of way. That's kind of weird. Or you can do other things as well. You can have the TikTok app come up, so you've got messages. So if there's a message on your feed, like someone's commented and you want to reply to it, you can put it at the top here, and then you can reply to that message. There's so many different filters on here that you can use. Special effects as well. You can have multiple of yourselves, something like that, if you want to do something. Or you can have face filters, very sexy. Or you can have this one, which is quite weird and crazy. So there's lots of different options available to you on here, and once you're happy with it, you just press the plus button, and then you've got it. There's your video ready to go, so you can play it. And as you can see, I'm going through the video now, changing different angles, and this is pretty much how it works. You can add sounds, and then you've got the music that you've got on many of your things that you've seen on TikTok. Most of the snippets of popular songs are on here that you can add if you want to. Again, I'm not going to add one because of copyright on YouTube. And then you can add text as well, so you can just put something in there like hello, just with simple ways, and you can make it the bold around the outside, you can make it bold in the middle, you can change the colour, you can even change the font if you really want to, which is quite cool. And then when you're happy with that, you can just go back, and then you've got that in the middle as well, and you can move that around. And if you touch it, you can set the duration, so you can have it all the way through the video, or you can have it just in the middle part, and then accept that, and it will give you just a little bit in the middle, and then it will disappear. And you can add stickers. There's loads of stickers you can add. If you wanted to add a sticker like 100% me, for example, you can touch it and you have it on there, and you can, again, if you tap it, you can set a duration for it, or you can leave it there for whatever you want to do. So many different options on the app itself. It's so much easier to edit the video on the app itself, because if you do it externally and then you try to upload it, sometimes the algorithm on TikTok thinks that you are uploading a video that's already been used, so it won't distribute it. You'll get 0 views. So it's much easier to do the editing and the recording in the app, and that gives you much more freedom and creativity, and also you can get it distributed on TikTok much easier. And this is it. That's just the basics of the video here today. If you want to see any more in-depth things of how TikTok works, then leave me a comment down below, and I'll be doing some more TikTok videos. I hope that you've enjoyed this one, and if you have, please do give me a thumbs up and a like. It will be and also share the video, of course, and that'll be greatly appreciated. It really does help my channel, and subscribe, of course, if you are not subscribed already. And until the next time, thank you very much. Goodbye.